How to make passport size photo in Gimp. You first need to open your image and then you can click here on crop tool. And then you can mark the area that you wish to keep. You can also use these handles to increase or decrease the area that you wish to keep. Also, you can choose here where it says size. Here you can type the exact size depending on the requirements from your state or your country. For example, let's say 1000 by 1000. And when I click here you can see it changed the size, but you can also move it here. And like I said, you can also use these handles to increase or decrease the area. Also, when you click here, you can choose pixels, percent, inches, millimeters, points, centimeters, and so on and so on. Again, depending on the requirements from your country. After you choose the exact size, all you have to do is just click here in this area, and as you can see, I cropped this image, and this image now is a passport size image that I made in Gimp.